Young is an intelligence officer. He is going to not only serve in Haiti, but he's ended up going to go to Liberia. Liberia was very afraid of being colonized. Liberia, of course, is the colony founded by the American Colonization Society. And this is where they resettled a lot of people of African descent in the US to Liberia so that they can go to Africa. And so the Liberian government, who was under the leadership of the descendants of African Americans, pleads with Theodore Roosevelt to send a black officer to come train the Liberian military so they can defend themselves. Because when they had a white officer who was training the military, that white officer tried to usurp the government and take over. So they're like, we don't trust this. So we want to make sure we get someone who can act, we believe they'll be better. Okay, so, Charles Young is going to be suggested, and his friend Booker T. Washington is going to really campaign on his behalf to get him to be the attaché to Liberia. And Young jumps at the opportunity. He, like I said earlier, he is W.E. Du Bois's best friend. And if you know anything about the Pan-Africanist movement, Du Bois is the originator of Pan-Africanism, one of the originators of Pan-Africanism. And a part of Young's growth and evolution as an officer and a leader is that he becomes a strong advocate of a Pan-African identity.